Welcome to SpiceCandies. In the previous video I've shown you how to preserve lime. I will now show you how to use this lime, this frozen lime, to make wonderful candies. Of all the citrus candies, these are definitely my favorite. I do love these. They're wonderful. You can make lollipops and you can make them at whenever you want because you can store the frozen lime zest. I personally do not add any other ingredient including citric acid because I don't want these candies to be acidic. I want these to be natural. Let's get started. Our candy is ready. It's hot enough, reached the proper temperature, and it's time to add our lime. Turned off the heat. We can add some lime. This is the double batch, so I'm using twice the lime. Let's mix it in. If you could only smell that. Very greenish. The color is looking just lovely. The aroma is amazing in the kitchen. I think we're ready to pour. Let's pour our candy. Oops. Again, I forgot the butterflies. My mistake. Let's correct it. Done. Let's cut the candy. Some lines have emerged indicating it's too hot to cut. So I'll just let it cool off for another 10-20 seconds and we can cut. Repeating the same lines, that's crucial. I messed over here. You can see it's not looking nice. Our candies have cooled. Let's see if we can release the butterfly molds. These are a bit tricky, even at best times. There we go. One butterfly. Let's break all these protruding and rather sharp edges. And we have one lollipop. Let's do the same. Ouch! Not that easy, is it? I really actually should cut them in half, thickness wise. But I like the tools. I need a belt sander, which I don't have. To smooth the bottom again. So, that's one. Don't despair, I have a trick for that. Wait a second. One butterfly. I do think I did mount it at an angle, but hey, it's back on. It's gonna be good enough. Let's wrap it up. Nice, isn't it? Right, let's let's break our candy. Well, there we go. We have some lovely candies and 2 lollipops. So this is really, really cute. I really love these. Out of the citrus candies, these are definitely my favorite. Very intense. The flavor is wonderful. It's rich. It's aromatic. You cannot just ignore these. You either love them or you don't love them. Nothing in between. I personally do adore these. Really, really wonderful candies. These are really, really cute. You can make lollipops. Try not to break these like I did. And these are really, really wonderful. So if you want, just send me a mail. I'll reply with a recipe. You can try and make these at home. Thanks for watching and have a sweet day.